Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add background to your photos or videos in CapCut, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 100,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. After you open the app, you have to open one of your projects, or you can start a new one if you click on that plus icon, and now you have to select from your gallery. And when you open one of them, you have to scroll to the right until you see the canvas option. And now you should see in the middle background. And you can see that there are pro versions, but there are free versions as well. So you can add these backgrounds to your photos and videos, and you can see that there is that plus icon. That means that you can upload photos from your gallery as well, and you can add it to your videos or photos in CapCut. And there is the apply to all option, which means that for all your clips will be applied that setting that you have just made. So that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.